Oh, hey there. Are you heading to class too?
Oh, hi. Yes, I'm just trying to figure out which room it is. It's my first day of the semester and they have changed things around.
Oh, well, we're actually in the same class. I'm Hans, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Hans. I'm Sarah. That makes things easier then.
Definitely. Sarah, I just realized I forgot to return a book to the library. Man, if I quickly do that before the class, I'll catch you in a bit.
No problem at all, Hans. Take your time. I'll see you in class.
Okay. Hi, I'm here to return this book.
Let me check out for you.
Yes, thank you.
Excuse me.
Yeah, I would like to return this book.
Let me check in.
Thank you.
Hey, Nadia, surprised to see you here.
Oh, hi Hans. What a coincidence. Are you also returning some of the books?
Yes, I forgot to it before the last break.
Me too. I left it to the last minute.
At least we're getting down now.
Yes, that's true. By the way, are you going to Mrs. class?
Yes, turns out we are classmates.
Yes. Let's go together after we return this book.
Yes, sounds good.
Thank you. Welcome. So, Hans, did you do anything fun during the break?
Yeah, I went camping with my family. How about you?
Oh, cool. I visited my grandparents in the village. It was so peaceful.
That's awesome.
Yo, Farhan, what's up?
Hey, Dio, what's up? Dio, this is Nadia. Nadia, this is Dio.
Hi, Dio. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Nadia. So, are you guys also heading to Mrs. Ri's class?
Yes.
We were. Turns out we are classmates.
Oh, really? That's cool. I'm in Mrs. Ri's class too.
Oh, awesome. Well, now we know each other.
Oh my god. I'm so sorry. How about you? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Thanks.
I'm so sorry. Let me help you with those.
No worries. Are you heading to Mrs. Ri's class too?
Yeah, there's one headed. Looks like that we are a classmate.
What a coincidence. I'm Flanella. You can call me Nella.
Nice to meet you, Flanella. My name is Razik. Anyway, since we are in the same class, would you like to walk with me?
Sure.
So, Dio, how was your break?
It was good, thanks. I spent most of it hanging out with my friends. What about you, Farhan?
Awesome. Mine was pretty relaxing. Spent some time with my family. Nadia, how about you? How was your break?
It was nice. I visited some relatives out of town. How about you, Sarah?
Wait. Do you know each other?
Yes, she's my classmate in the first semester. By the way, Sarah, this is Dio and this is Farhan.
I know her. We met at parking lot before.
Nice to meet you all.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Yo, Razik, we're classmates though.
Oh, I do remember you. You're Dio, right?
Yeah, I'm Dio. How are you, Razik?
I'm fine. Anyway, I want to introduce my new friend. This is Flanella.
Hi, I'm Flanella. You can call me Nella.
My name is Dio. Nice to meet you, Nella.
Nice to meet you too, Dio.
Okay, guys, hear me out. I have quotes of the day for you. Silence doesn't mean I'm afraid, but it doesn't mean I have to go to